Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the purchase details so you avoid lookup delays. Once logged into the original Flipkart account, go straight to Orders, find the gift card entry, and open View Details. Make sure the order shows completed or delivered. Partial or pending payments block PIN display. If you paid by wallet or UPI, note the transaction ID as a backup. This gets you to the place where Flipkart stores the card code and redemption info, the first actionable step. Once the gift card record is open, tap the gift card or View Voucher button. Flipkart typically hides the full PIN until you choose to reveal or download it. Make sure to cross-check the code against your confirmation email or SMS. Sometimes one channel reveals masked digits while the other gives the full PIN. If Flipkart provides a downloadable voucher PDF, download and open it in a secure PDF reader. That file often contains the full PIN and redemption instructions you need. To finish, enter the gift card PIN at checkout under Payment right arrow gift card and apply it. Make sure to type the code exactly, including hyphens if shown. If you cannot find the PIN, immediately open Help right arrow Contact Us, choose Order Issues, attach the order ID, payment proof, and any screenshots. Flipkart support can reissue or reveal the PIN after verification. Keep all records for 48-72 hours in case you need to escalate through customer care or social channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.